have my closet. This is my closet. Being in New York, I want to be a little bit more formal with things, so I got this button up right here. Very classy, very nice. And I got this other plain one. It can go with anything. I'll put this on right now. It goes with it. I'll put this on right here. It goes with it. You feel me? So this is my closet. Then I got my living room right here. So this is for my living room. So anybody who want to lay back and just be like, yo, Kyle, like, W stream.